Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to add an administrator to a page in Facebook application. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also be sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. So let us get started with you. Please open the Facebook app on your device. And when you open it, you'll most likely be on your main account. And before we get started, you'll need to switch to your page. To do that, tap on the bottom, right side of the menu. After which you'll need to switch to your page. To do that, click this button right here. Choose a page from the list, click on it. And as you can see, in a couple seconds, you'll be on the page you want. Then down on the bottom right, also click on the menu. Now at the top, click on the gear, and then scroll down a little bit and find the page customization option. After that, you will need to select access to the page. Next, select Add New. And there's going to be some important information here that I recommend everyone make sure to read. This information is regarding what dangers and generally warnings there may be about how you will be adding a future admin. After you have read this information, click Next. Now you will need to enter the name of the person who you would like to appoint as an administrator. But friends, I will tell you right away that it should be a verified person, because you are giving him full access to your page. He can, after he becomes an administrator, delete people, delete this page completely, and generally do all the same actions that you do. So make sure that this is a reliable person that you trust. So, when you have selected a person, click on their name. Then you'll need to click on Add at the bottom, and then you'll need to enter your Facebook password in the box. And then click Continue. And this way, you will send an invitation to the person to become the administrator of your Facebook page. This person will have 31 days to accept and consider your offer. And if within that 31 days the person does not consider or take any action, then that invitation, it will automatically be canceled. Friends, this is the method you can use to add an admin to your Facebook page. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to comment and put your likes under this video. Bye-bye.